Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, just got back from a nice little 3-day mini vacation on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Had some good time, ate some good food, except for one place. That place sucked. But it was a chain restaurant, so really wasn't expecting much. But overall, had a nice time. Now I'm back, trying to get caught up on some stuff. Got a whole lot of stickers that came in. So I'm going to be doing some today and some over the next couple videos, so that way I can get all caught up. So if I haven't gotten to yours today, I will be getting to it soon. But on today's video, we're going to do bison steak and potatoes using Uncle Steve's thick meat shake to celebrate me hitting 1,500 subscribers on my Instagram account. So let's go ahead and get started. First up is the potatoes. We've got here the Green Giant Klondike Medley. I've already washed them off and dried them. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil over them to coat them. I'm going to take a little bit of Uncle Steve's thick meat shake. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it with some aluminum foil. And when the grill comes up to temp, we're going to go ahead and put it on now over the coals for 15 minutes until done. Right here I got a nice 16-ounce Bison Ribeye steak. I'm going to go ahead now and put Uncle Steve's thick meat shake on it. So while the potatoes are cooking, we're going to go ahead and let this meat rest now and sweat in with all that nice, wonderful flavor. And after the potatoes are done, we're going to go ahead and let this smoke with some B&B Championship Blend, the pecan, oak, and cherry, up to a temperature of 115. Then we're going to go ahead and sear it off. We're all done now, and we're going to go ahead and do the taste test. This looks phenomenal. Going for the taste now. Definitely moist and juicy. That thick meat shake on it with that extra black pepper in there definitely hits the spot on that steak. Let's go ahead and try a potato. Thick meat on the potato too, with all that extra black pepper. Another win. Tastes awesome. Gotta try it out. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Have a good day.